This video I will explain how to backup and restore DynamoDB tables in AWS. Amazon DynamoDB is a NoSQL database service provided by AWS. It stores data in tables and is designed to be fast, scalable and reliable. But just like with any data, you need to wait to back it up and restore it. We will see how that works. What does backup mean? A backup is like taking a snapshot of your table. It saves all the data and settings in that table at a specific moment in a time. This way, if your data gets deleted, corrupted, or changed by mistake, you can go back to the backup and restore it. Now we will see two main ways to backup in DynamoDB. First one, on-demand backup. You create a backup whenever you want. For example, before making big changes to your data. It saves the entire table, including its data and settings. Second one, point-in-time recovery. This automatically saves changes continuously. You can restore your table to any second in the last 35 days. It is useful if you accidentally delete or update something recently. Now we will see how to create a on-demand backup. Log into AWS Management Console, go to DynamoDB, select the table you want to backup, click Backups and then create a backup. Give your backup a name and confirm. Now AWS will save a snapshot of your table. Here you can see AWS Management Console. Search for DynamoDB. Here you can see the table students. Click on this. Click on Backups. And here you can see Create Backup option. There are two options are there. Create on-demand backup and schedule backup. You can click on Create on-demand backup and fill the necessary details and click on Create Backup to create the backup. Now we will see how to restore from a backup. Go to the backup section in DynamoDB, choose the backup you want to restore, click on Restore. You will need to give the restored table a new name because DynamoDB does not overwrite the old one. Once done, the new table will appear with all data from the backup. Now we will see restoring with point-in-time recovery. First, make sure PITR is turned on for your table. If you need to restore, choose your table, select Restore to point in time. Pick the exact date and time you want to restore to. Give the restored table a new name. Now you will have fresh copy of your table from that exact time. Why backup and restore is important? Protects you from accidental data loss. Helps to recover quickly from application errors. Ensures business continuity even if something goes wrong. Now we will see the summary. Backup is saving copy of your table's data. Restore is bringing back the data if you lose or damage it. DynamoDB offers on-demand backup, which is manual snapshots. Point-in-time recovery, which is automatic continuous backups. Restore tables always get a new name, so they don't overwrite existing ones.